and I've noticed something. There are 5 different types of people when hearing scary noises alone. Now I know you're thinking, I could never be on this list. Well, awkward DJ, I have news for you. You more than likely are on this list. First on the list, we have the looker. This person doesn't say much, doesn't react much, but they know that the noise is there. They just choose not to say anything because it'll alarm it somehow, you know? They're kind of the smart ones in a way.
Five minutes later.
Number 2 on the list, we have the investigator. Those are the people who think they're the geniuses of the situation, but in fact are just leading themselves into more danger. They hear the noise, and immediately something kicks in their brain to say, maybe I should walk into that dangerous situation and see what that dangerous situation is, you know? Just go straight into the danger. Those are the thrill seekers. Wonder what that was. Maybe I should go.
No!
Okay, geez. Coming up, number 3, we have the nonchalant flippers. Basically just a person who hears the noise, sort of like the looker, but instead of doing something, they literally do nothing. They pretend that it doesn't exist. Whatever dangers that run amok out that door, it's no longer their problem. Whatever happens out there, doesn't need to come in here. The world could end outside that door in that exact moment, and the nonchalant flipper would continue to flip on that TV screen as if everything is safe. Observe the nonchalant flipper. So like what? You don't hear me? Am I talking to myself out here? Or? Oh, so you wanna ignore a mother? That's what you wanna do. You just wanna ignore the. Okay. Oh, would you look at that? You can't see anything, can you? You can't see anything, can you? That's what I thought. Wow. You see? You actually see me. I think I'm gonna go to bed. Are you serious? Oh, come on, that's not even fair.
I can't hear you over all this rest I'm getting.
What? You can hear me, you just... Nope, definitely 100% quiet as mouse sleeping over here. Whatever.
5 minutes later.
Now we're coming to number 4 on the list. This person is called the Dipper. Now, they literally need no further explanation other than that single noise that they heard, that their house is immediately haunted and infested with ghosts. So they would literally drop everything at the drop of a hat and leave. Nothing else needs to be said. Nothing else needs to be done. The house is going on the market and it's over. Ah. Yep, enjoy your time here. Make sure to feed the cat. The house keys, they're on the kitchen table. Carpet cleaning comes at 3. Have fun. Finally, coming in at number 5, we have the welcoming one. The one that's too accepting of the fact that this might be actually their final demise. They take the first chance to accept this as their moment in their fate as death. They don't even need to hear any logical conclusion to the story. This is their ending that they chose, but they believe it's in fate's hands. We all gotta go sometime. Maybe this is my time. Are you done? You could literally just stay in your room and you'd be completely safe and fine. No, I'm pretty sure this is my time. Do you have a death wish? This is my moment. Are you done? Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and comment below if you've seen yourself or any of your friends in the video, along with any ideas that you would like to see me do next time. And without further ado, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'm out of your house. I love you so much. Thank you for hanging out with me. I had a really fun time hanging out with you. I love you so much.